'Cause saying how we feel is no longer alive.
Do you not get the concept?
Hey guys, it's your girl Shanice. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I must start off by wishing you all a happy new year. It's 2025, which means new year, new goals, new year, better me, better you, better everybody, right? So welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Shanice Jodian. I am a 31-year-old boy mom, fashion designer, business enthusiast, like just all rounded fun mommy. Yes, so on my channel I focus mainly on daily vlogs, like lifestyle content, and every now and again I throw in the mix of, you know, mom life, business life, and just balancing everything that your girl has got going on. So I'm dying to know how you guys have been. Like, how is your new year going so far? Like, I am up super early this morning. It's actually Tuesday. It is January the 7th, I think. Yes. And my new year starts today. Like, I wanted it to start yesterday, which is the 6th. Yeah, I kind of got a little delay because, as you know, I did vlogmas, so your girl was beat, your girl was tired. Okay, so I did take a little break. I took the first week off in January to just reset, refresh, recoup, and just, you know, come back better than ever. And I must say that my spirit is calm. I am in a place of peace, and I'm just ready to hop back in here on YouTube and, you know, let the fun begin. So I'm heading to the gym this morning. As you guys can see, I'm gonna give you a little fit check, and I wanted to do a little series this morning. Give me a sec, I'm looking for my stuff. Also a spray up. I have this new Sweater Weather Bath and Body Work fragrance mist. Alright guys, so this morning before we head in the gym, oh my god, I'm missing a nail, but don't mind that. We're doing what's in my little gym pouch. So I don't really carry like a big duffel to the gym. I just bring this little pouch, I put it around my waist, and I'm good to go. So what is in there? First up, we have my inhaler, because you know your girl is asthmatic. We're working out, we can't afford to drop down at the gym, so we have a pump on hand. I have some lip gloss, of course. My lips are dry at the moment, so let's put some on right now, because Shanice, dry lips this early, that ain't cute. So except for that, as usual, my keys, my big bundle of keys is always in my bag with me. I also have my little card holder, which houses like all my cards, IDs, and cash, just in case I need it. I have to renew my gym membership today, so I have to ensure I have that. I have some hand lotion. Can't put it on today because, you know, my gym wear has these cute little thumb hole cutouts, so I don't want to mess up myself. But I have my lotion here. Also have my AirPods, because when I'm in the gym, you know, I like to vibe out, listen to some music, or just straight up ignore people. Yeah, you know. Also have some gym gloves. These are kind of beaten up. I had them all year, but I ordered some new ones. They haven't arrived as yet, so I'm just gonna wrap these until they get here. I also have some sanitary napkins and stuff like that. I'm not gonna show that, guys, like we all know what that looks like. And I also have my little membership swipe thingy, so when I go in I just swipe it. And that's pretty much what I carry in the gym with me. I also carry a towel with me, or a rag, my water bottle, and of course my handy dandy tripod, because the girl is trying to film in the gym. I mean, I'm not really scared to film in like public places anymore, so, but you know, every now and again it gets kind of weird, because you're really trying to avoid like having people in your video that's just not comfortable with it. But yeah guys, that's it for my little haul this morning, and as you can see, I'm moving real fast because the girl is late. So let's head to the gym and, you know, catch our first workout of the year, because you know we have new body goals this year. So yeah, I'm imploring you all to just move your body today. It doesn't have to be like committing to the gym. It could be like a little morning walk, a little cardio at home, whatever works for your schedule. And I hope you guys have an amazing 2025. So yeah, let's go. know them stay there. Know them stretch my shipping company, them they're around this. CJ. say hi. Come here, drop off that thing. Come over here, vlog. That's who I saw at the gym, the OG. Yeah, she's the one that got me in the gym in the first place. Because if I have batteries and Jason, I would not be here. So I guess I have them to thank. But she don't know, she'll leave me here for dead. Alright, so yeah man, see you. I try to come earlier tomorrow. So that workout was killer, guys. First day back is always killer, but your girl got that workout out of the way. So today I didn't tailor my workout at all. I just did a full body. So I touched my arms, upper body, I did core, I did legs, basically everything to just get my body ready for what's to come. So I guess for the rest of the week we can try tailor it and assign different days. So as it stands, I have a little drop off to do. I have a customer. I'm crying right now. So yeah, I have a little drop off to do. I was supposed to meet her at the gym, but she didn't come in today, so she asked me to drop this off to her mommy, and she's literally next door. So I'm just gonna run over, drop this off, and then I'm gonna head home because the girl is starving. Still have apple from morning that I had in the car. And up here looks so honestly, I don't leave.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I don't see the leap part, something like that. So let's munch on this and then my shovel, but I'm scoping out the scenery, you know? Hello. I should just call it. Alright, so we'll drop this off for her.
Oh.
So guys, I'm back in and I'm making some brekkie. I'm making breakfast, so I feel for some porridge. This is not oats at all. It's actually some cornmeal porridge, and tell me why the cornmeal basically done it. This can probably make a little serving for me alone. So yeah, before I go and like shower or anything, I have to eat because I'm starving. So as I said, I make some porridge. And I'm also watching this podcast, and I probably know Rush Time podcast, Nanda. So it has like Tess and Kim on today, so I'm a big Tessie fan, so I listen. I'm gonna mix up my cornmeal because I know I have to mix up the cornmeal and some water before I put it in. Or else it's gonna be lumpy, right? A word to the wise is sufficient. That happened to me multiple times before. I never mix up the cornmeal. And I learned the hard way. So people mix out your cornmeal.
I think it's a nice tradition. I like it.
Mix it up really nice so it's smooth.
So why not?
As we say, one serving of porridge on it this morning. This is such a nice episode. If you know me, a big singer already, so anything I have to do with like musicals, your girl is in it. Check out some of the water. Too much water. Look up. I'm gonna also mix some coconut milk as well.
Cheesy Christmas movies. Like, what do you mean cheesy though? Like, Lifetime Boys is my all-time favorite boy band group, whatever you want to call it. Nobody, nothing compares. Favorite song? Water Runs Dry. We don't even talk anymore.
Sure. We don't even know what we are. You are right. Don't even say I love you no more. It's saying how we feel is no longer alive.
I don't know how we read Boys to Men and Christmas because Boys to Men they had a Christmas song. No, they had something else.
Let's know it's you the one.
Everybody have a little Christmas song, you know. But you know it's
I'm not sure how last space that told you.
Sing it, Josh.
Now it's too late to hold you. So far away. And I imagine living without your smile.
Yeah, but no more.
It feels so right.
This is just because of nostalgia and me and you. Ready? Yes.
The Boys to Men segment done, guys. Listen, Rush is just a vibe. Rush, if you're watching this, next season I want to come on your podcast. You know what I'm going to talk about, but your girl want to be on London next season. Can't come sing like Tessa.
They're going to cancel us. They're going to cancel us. And you might think to see oh my God.
And you know your card is not complete without your cinnamon and your vanilla. You know we're not doing it. So, I never put my Alaska, guys. How could I not put my secret ingredient? Some Lasco. Yeah, this is a secret ingredient. Some vanilla Alaska. Put it in everything. Cinnamon. You have to constantly stir.
I remember the guy saying to us,
you have to keep the heat on low.
Come Christmas time,
I need vanilla as well.
It's just full, and it's basically the people that own like the rights to like the majority of the Christmas songs.
So it don't curdle and it don't come.
Every Christmas. Tessa, that's first we started with frosting. We started with this song that you have. Yeah, because I could happily just go into heaven. You keep me heavy. I don't vibes going on. What do you mean? You keep me heavy.
Yeah, this is the podcast.
I don't give you heavy Tessa vibes.
I'm late, but I arrived to the Christmas edition. I think this is like the season finale.
I would like to.
But yeah, guys, check them out on YouTube. Just search India or Nanda or whatever, you'll find it. Guys, the porridge is smelling so good. As we said, I'm just making the Shanice and Shanice only. This is it. It's thickening up. Very nice. So all I need to do is just let it come to a complete boil and let it boil. Because you know caramel take a while to boil, and then sweeten it and it should be good to go. So yeah, spread the news to all the land that Jesus is born. Our Savior is born. Jesus is born. Jesus.
Said that she's been focusing on her career, right? Some people also don't necessarily have somebody to do it with,
and
or
some
somebody
people
that they
just
trust.
don't want to have kids. I have friends that are quite okay with their decision not to have kids, and I know that seems like a real shocker in this day and age, but you gotta respect that too.
Playing in the back of my mind, the closer I get to you.
Is that Roberta Flack? The more you make me feel.
He's an originals girl. He's a cover guy. Donny Hathaway and Roberta Flack.
Roberta Flack at that.
So like greatest hits, greatest hits, greatest da 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 da. Best Christmas song of all time goes to.
Mariah Carey.
Hard, guys.
No, I never grew up in a Christmas, so you have so much time.
Because I'm a singer and I love songs.
All I want for
Then give
Christmas.
one.
But that's really hard. No, I refuse. I can't. I've got to have at least a top 5.
All right,
Top
give me 3.
Oh, Holy Night.
Mariah.
And all I want for Christmas is you.
All I want for Christmas is you. Just a religious song. Let's speak to the birth of Jesus. Come on. Come on, Tess.
So what?
Okay guys, so belly full, I'm gonna catch a shower and then I'm going to go ahead and start my day. I want today to be a very productive day, so I'm gonna take you guys through my process of just planning my weeks, even though I'm off to a late start, but we move. So yeah, that's the vibe. So I'll catch y'all in a bit. Okay guys, so I need to stop this okay guys thing. So I'm finishing up with a couple emails, both personal and business, and I'm just going to make a little to-do list. But first I want to show you guys this new productivity planner that I got. So it's the Boss Babe productivity planner, and it has like daily to-do lists, weekly reviews, and monthly calendars. And this is like I would say it's a monthly planner, but it can extend beyond the month. It has about how many pages? About 70 pages or so. So I plan to keep this for like, I'd say a quarter. So this is gonna be my quarterly planner. And I'm just gonna show you what the inside looks like. So it says the planner belongs to, and then it has like a CEO review with all of your details, monthly calendar that you can go ahead and add to, and it has this cute little just as a motivational quote that says, follow the plan, not your mood. And listen, sometimes I get in a mood and everything goes out the window, so I'm trying to stick to that. But yeah, this is the top 5 tasks for today, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this out with everything that I have to do. So it's top 5, and I'm assuming depending on your schedule you can probably do a top 3, because I started out doing a top 3, but since your girl got a bit busier, I'm gonna have to actually do the top 5 or more, who knows. But I'm trying to kind of limit myself just to, you know, avoid being overwhelmed on a daily basis. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my to-dos here. I also have this cute little notebook. This one is just lined, it's not dated or anything. And I went ahead and I wrote like all my 2025 goals and basically a rough draft of what my weekly schedule will look like. Then I have this other big planner. This one now is dated. It's dated, and basically I go in and I write down all my ideas. I like idea dump over here. Like I do scripts over here, I do content ideas, like everything is in this book. I've had it for about a year now, and it goes everywhere with me, so still going strong. It's not done as yet. Oh my God. Listen, I kind of knew that was gonna happen. I should not have put it up there, but you know, we move. So I guess this now takes me to like my actual planner board. So it's just a whiteboard, guys, nothing fancy. And I want to put it up on that wall. So I want to put it up like somewhere here, or maybe over here, closer to like my workspace. Hopefully you guys are seeing me. And as you can see, it has not been updated since November. So I think we should go ahead and update this now. I'm just going to like remove all of the details that I had from 2024, input my 2025 info and everything for December. So yeah, let's do that, and then I'll jump right into getting to the nitty-gritty of planning my week, guys. And trust me, planning your week does wonders. Take it from me. If you're not like a big planner, because I wasn't always a planner, but trust me, planning your week does wonders. It kind of keeps you on track, you know, it keeps you accountable to your goals and everything that you set out to do for that week, and you know, in extension, your months and your year. So if you don't plan, or if you don't have like, I would say an organized setting, even if it's just the notes in your phone, like that's a good start. I use the notes on my phone all the time to like jot down ideas and to basically plan out stuff as well. But in recent times, I found that, you know, having something where, you know, you can look up and you can see it every day, it's at the forefront of your mind, you can check off as you go along, it's much more efficient that way. And that's just personally. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rub this off, and then we can see how best we can input everything for December. So let's put this over here and we can begin. So I have some markers here. Well, this looks like whiteboard, but why is it blue? Where's my black marker? See these kids, man? This is also whiteboard, but this is blue. I don't want blue. Where's my black one? Okay, so I finally found the black, and most of these lines are kind of like crooked. So let me get my ruler. Yes, I'm just gonna use this ruler and I'm gonna like straighten all the lines, because your girl is just a neat freak, and draw back all of these lines. And yes, I guess I could have gotten the ones that were like pre-drawn for me with all the lines and the dates and everything. But just something, oh my god, that lean bad. I just like the idea of it being flexible where I can, you know, move things around if I need to. Draw a lean line, guys. This I forgot about. This lean bads. I usually have a straight hand, so I don't know what's going on today, but that was lean. But yeah, guys, but I just finished draw all the lines, put back the date and the month, and then show you guys what it's looking like. Yeah, and I think which day the first was a Wednesday, right? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Yeah, the first was a Wednesday. So I'm just gonna put in all of the little dates until I'm done. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10, and 11. So yeah, let's finish this up. As it stands, the school hasn't sent out their new schedule for the year, but I know some things should remain the same. So I kind of use this side to do like the boys' schedule and anything else that we have coming up for them. So 1, 2, 3, and I did change up my schedule as well, so I might need to update that. So I'm gonna do updated. So planning. So I'm taking my Mondays strictly for like reset, planning, and anything that I didn't get to, you know, finish up the week before. Tuesdays are for Club Couture JA, and I feel like I'm more productive at the beginning of the week. So I think I could knock off a couple of outfits, or, you know, do a custom order, or to just put back stuff in inventory to restock basically. At the beginning of the week, as opposed to the end of the week where I'm drained and, you know, I just can't be bothered. So I'm trying to see how best I can allocate my manpower, or allocate it to days that require a little bit more efficiency than others. Wednesdays now, I think I want to take a couple meetings on Wednesdays for my consultancy business that I do. So I provide like accounting services, taxes, business bank accounts, all of that. I think I want to put that midweek. I think that's a sweet spot. So I can take all my meetings, then I can send out all my emails, and I also want to work on like streamlining that process of, you know, sending emails and basically yeah man, that's that nice. One thing I want to do this year for 2025 is to automate as many processes as possible, so that my time, like real-time energy and effort, is not required, because some days it can get really busy. So if I can streamline all of that and, you know, automate all the emails going out, I don't have to send out anything manually, then that would be good. So that's something I need to put on my notes, is to basically automate emails. I'm going to start with one at a time. We're not going to bite off more than we can chew. So on a Thursday, I want to do like my Printify store and any other online business that I have. Friday is strictly content day. I think Friday is perfect to film content because I can get cute, I can film the content, and then we can head out for like lunch with the boys or something. Like Friday is just that type of vibe. And then I want to edit on a Saturday. I find that I edit best on a Saturday morning, like early Saturday morning. I get up like 5-6 o'clock and I try to edit between like 6 to 8 thereabout. Like my mind on a Saturday morning is very creative, so I love that for me. And then Sunday, you know, is reset. We're not really doing any work on a Sunday. We're just chilling like a villain, right? And just do like chores, housework, like spend time with the boys, cook. My girl is trying to get back in her cooking era. So yeah, that seems like it for today. As I said, I'm waiting on the school schedule, but as it stands, this is everything that I have. And I want to hang it up. I want to hang it up over there. So I have most of the days filled out already. Any additional stuff I have to put in as time goes along, because you know ad hoc stuff always come up. Like I always get orders every now and again. So as it stands, I have 2 orders here. I'm trying to get out tomorrow and next Monday. If any more comes in, I'll add them to the list. I have to go get some fabric on Friday, and I have a lot of other small stuff to pick up as well. So this kind of helped me to stay on track, guys. And as I told you, I want to put it up on the wall. So I want to put it up on the wall, but because I was using like this what do you call them now, like command strips, but not really a command strip, it's like a command hook. But it failed me and my calendar fell down. So when Jason gets home, I'm gonna see if he can drill like a couple holes in the wall, and then I can go ahead and hang it up over my workstation. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I am going to log on now and see what else I can get done. And as I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and fill out my top 5 for today. We've already completed 1 of 5, so let's see how productive we can be for the rest of the day. Guys, can you believe that my new page that I started for like my business consultancy stuff is at 999 followers? Oh my goodness, I love that for me, honestly. So I basically was documenting like my journey of, you know, improving or increasing my income streams for the year 2024, plus like business tips, any type of business services. So that's what I do mainly on this page. Run your girl up, head on over to Small Business Success Hub. We're on TikTok and we're also on Instagram, and give me a follow. I guess by the time you are seeing this, we're past 1,000, God's willing, like hopefully. But yeah, guys, I'd love your support. Go on ahead and check out my videos, see if it's your type of vibe. You know, as I said, it's business related. Small Business Success Hub. I help small businesses in any way, shape or form. If you need help with anything, accounting services, marketing, content creation, whatever it may be, then I'm your girl. Go ahead and follow. I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm back to sending out emails. I have a lot of persons inquiring about a course that I took. So most of these freebies that you see being claimed is basically just a little sneak peek inside the course. You get to see what the course has to offer before you actually opt in or you actually pay to be a part of the community. So that's been going good. Yeah, and basically any other inquiries to customers, so that's what I've been doing. Persons inquiring about business registration, Amazon KDP. So I do have a lot of like they call it now, I do have a lot of like information to share about that. So anything you need, just hit me up. It is smallbusinesssuccesshub@gmail.com, and I'll send you over anything that you need. Guys, I legit just pulled up for pickup duty, and of course I had to pop a Malta. It is I'm about 3 minutes early, so if you know me, you know Malta is my drink. But it just dawned on me that I have 2 projects outstanding that was due from like yesterday. No, I'm gonna do them, so I don't even know how that's gonna go, but I need to get to the time, so maybe we're going to have to work on those when I get back in. So yeah, I'm gonna grab Javi. This is so refreshing because the time is so hot. I'm gonna go grab Javi, see if we can get some supplies, and then start that out when we reach home. No sleep.
Oh.
We have Javi here with us. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm vlogging. How was your first official day back at school? Was good? You missed your friends? You had fun? Alright, perfect. I have Malta here. You want some Malta? Why not?
I don't like Malta.
Javi's not a Malta fan, but Jamir, guys, Jamir is going to up the Malta, right? He loves a good Malta. So, Javi, going to sit back with your seatbelts, please and thank you, so we can go. And apparently I picked you up early. This isn't even early. But the class still full of kids. Like, at what time I'm gonna pick up on the kids? Like, are y'all like early parents? Like, do you get your kids on time for school, or are you like a little bit on the later side? Like, you just let them go and chill, I guess, until after work, or so. I don't know. What do you think, Javi? Would you prefer I pick you up early or late? Which one? Early? Javi want to pick him up early. If I'm ever a couple minutes late, the boss that a ball and say, why you didn't come pick me up? So let me know you see me a reverse. Why you didn't come pick me up?
I never say that.
What you always say? Where were you? Okay, I always say, where were you so long? That's what you always say. Where were you, mommy? Alright, now we gotta go get Jamir.
And what were you doing? Can you play a video game with me?
Video games, Javi, it is a school week. We're done with the video games and the baga watching, okay?
Guys, I gonna sneak when mommy's asleep. It can be super good.
You saying?
Nothing. I just telling something. Okay, time.
Telling something.
I'm gonna sneak and watch and play video when mommy's sleeping.
When I'm sleeping,
No.
I can't hear you because you can't whisper, bruh. Stay there. We're gonna take all the devices and lock them up in our safe where you guys cannot get them.
No!
Yes.
Let me go! No!
Get your shoes off. Take them up. Take off your socks. Put your socks in your shoes. You know the drill.
Why do you say the drill?
Is it the drill? You know the drill, bruh.
The drilling. You mean?
What's the drill? Go and take off your socks.
Mommy, It does smell like cheese. Can you eat cheese?
Jamie,
No.
let me tell you why your socks smell like cheese.
Yeah.
Because your feet sweat. But I mean, I don't even know. Your feet has been in the shoe all day. So it's gonna smell like this.
It's like a sour sop. Sour sop like you are one.
Alright, go get your stuff. Take off your clothes.
Yeah.
And no games. Let me tell you this from now. No games. We're doing homework. Alright?
Banging.
Projects. Reading. And maybe.
No reading.
Why not? Why you don't like reading? Jamir, you have to do a little reading every day, okay? And you have 2 projects to complete, Jamir. Yes. Maybe later we get to watch the TV, okay? The boys are doing homework.
Begin with a capital.
Jamir, what you doing? What does yours say? Page 49. What does it say? Read the instructions.
Mark the word in each box that should begin with a capital letter.
Okay, so they did the first one for you. So we have 2 words in the first box. Today, Toby, and toys. So they put an X on Toby because Toby should have a capital letter, right?
Yes.
But why should Toby have a capital letter? What's the reasoning behind that? Where did the fly come from?
Get out of here! I'm gonna slap you with your eyes open!
Don't worry, I'm not that.
Oh, fine, just slap them in the eye open.
Okay, so why should Toby have a capital letter?
Because the capital letter is because it's no one uppercase.
It should be uppercase, but why should a name be uppercase? Why should Javi and Jamir be uppercase?
Because
J?
the first letter supposed to be uppercase.
The first letter in the sentence, sure, but what if it's not at the beginning of the sentence? What other reason?
Beginning.
What other reason? Is it a noun? Remember, no, nouns are naming words.
Nouns are naming like places, animal,
things and people, so it has to have a capital letter. So that's why it was capital, because it's the name of a person. So in number 2, which word there should have a capital letter at the beginning? Which one of those words, Javi? Tell me. Look at them. Javi, stop now, look at them. Okay, why?
Because it's a person.
Okay, good. Jamir, what's the update for you?
So now I'm done doing the A. I'm gonna write X. Port,
Alright.
plan, pretty, mommy. And the next one is pretty, happy, port, plan, empowered.
Okay, good.
I got one question.
Sure, what's your question?
When you were a kid, you supposed to do all these works, right? So where your book?
My book when I was a kid? They're at my mom's house.
Oh.
That's your question?
Yeah.
What you want to know about the work that I was doing?
So I can tell Javi it.
I was a very smart girl when I was your age.
Mommy?
I used to get 100% in all of my work.
What?
Yeah, I was very smart.
Like Uriah.
Alright, smart?
Yeah.
She gets 100 in all her work?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright, finish up, please.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you something to drink. What's up?
My neck page.
So put the X on it. And do all the others. I come.
Look.
Oh, you need another pencil. So, Javi, why you not say that? What is wrong with you? Let me sharpen that one.
I'm gonna speed one.
So the boys are done with homework. But I am not, because apparently me I forgot make model plane. What's so funny, Javi?
And mommy,
Javi, come here.
and mommy, one of my friends make one big plane who realistic and the guy with some ground.
What? So So what do you want to make for your model transportation?
Mommy, so it look like it having two this shapes, and then have one realistic airplane, and then some realistic, and
So
some blue like the water.
So apparently his friends made a realistic airplane. So do you want to make an airplane, a ship, a bus? What do you want to make?
Come and look what I'm doing around it.
I don't want to see what you're doing, because right now my head hurt me just thinking about this project.
Please.
What do you want to make?
An airplane and a car.
So Jamaican say, "Mom, make an airplane." It's not no and a car. It's either or. One, my love. You have to pick one.
Airplane.
Okay.
Car.
Don't play with me though.
Car.
Alright, so I have a cardboard box. We have our glue gun on deck. So we're gonna go ahead and make a car. I'll show you guys the process and the end result. But listen, them can't pay me enough for all of this, right? You may talk, cannot pay me enough for all of this. Okay? That means you have to be a good boy for the rest of the week. That's your payment, okay? Love you.
Okay, love you.
Alright guys, let's go get this done so we can go lie down. So this is my rough sketch of what my airplane will look like. This is gonna be where like the window is. This is the nose, bottom, and then this is a little tail here. I have like a little wing, and then I want the side wings to go probably like right here. So hopefully this is okay. I'm gonna straighten these lines. Looks a little bit better now, so let's cut this out. So I want to cut out 2 of these, so I'm just gonna trace this. I wonder if the cardboard side. I think I like the white side. So I'm just gonna trace it here and then cut it out on this as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue these on, and then I'm gonna cut away like the excess at the bottom here. Wonder if I can narrow down here, so I rub it out. I rub out the white. So while this glue gun is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and peel away the cardboard side from this, just so it's a little bit thinner and easier to work with. I'm gonna square this up, or basically turn it into a rectangle, and then cut it in half. Hopefully this is even. So I want these for my wheels. So these are for my wheels, and then I need a tail. Then you have to work fast because it tends to dry really quickly. Right. Switch it up. And we're gonna do the tail end of it. And this is our plain, our quinoa plain. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. We're basically done. We just need to go ahead and attach our wings. So this one is gonna go through here. See if I can get it through. Ooh, it's a bit tight, but we made it. We made it. How is it looking so far? Love it. And then we also have to go ahead and attach our wheels, which you saw. These are gonna be the wheels. I'm just gonna zhuzh it up a little. Clean as well, guys. Clean, I have no window for the people that look through. That's one wheel down. Another to go. And we're gonna put these underneath the wings that we just placed. And we're gonna reinforce it with some glue. So yeah. And then the last thing, as I said, is to draw some windows for the plane. So this is how it's looking. Guys, let me know what you think. What you think, please go ahead and rate my airplane out of 10 in the comments. And let me know how a girl did, because this airplane is looking bomb.com. Like, I literally take a ride in this. No cap. All cap, because we're not going at this. But yeah, it's looking very, you know, picturesque, just like I imagined. So yeah, I'm going to show it to Jameer and hear what he thinks. What do you think? What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
How much you rate it out of 10?
A trout another powder.
Okay, great. I'm glad you love it. Javi, what do you think about the airplane?
I think a 6 out of 10. I mean a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You don't have to always give mommy a perfect score. You know, if it deserves it, I'll take it. So here you have it, guys. I got a 10 out of 10 for my airplane.
And a 10 out of 1,000.
And a 10 out of 1,000. That's not good enough, Jameer. Did you know that 10 out of 1,000 is not good at all?
A 1,000 out of 1,000.
Okay, thank you. And as you can see, Jameer lives in the couch cover. Right? Lives. So guys, my job here is done for today. Well, not 100% done. I also have a little booklet that I'm supposed to make, but daddy's printing the pics. So when he gets home with the pictures, I'm gonna let Jameer paste them in himself, because listen, we have to make these kids contribute. You know, we can't take on all the work ourselves. So once he's done with that, we're all set, and I'm going back to my work. It is now about 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna work up until 7. So I'm doing 2 hours, and as I said, like since morning I try to update everything. I've been on my website trying to update that as well. And going into 2025, I want a new look for my website. So if you know any graphic designers out there, because as it stands, I just go ahead and change my template, but I think I want to change the entire vibe, like layout, everything. And yeah, I need a graphic designer to, you know, try and bring my vision to life. But yeah, as it stands, I'm trying to update that. I'm trying to update inventory. Like today is just updating and bringing everything up to pace. And the fact that we're basically in the 2nd week of the month is not helping, but I'm just learning to go at my own pace, take my time, give myself grace. So your girl is just gonna put in a 2 hours and then call in a night, make some dinner, and then go to bed. And last night I had like a really bad headache, so I ended up using my cap. Where's the cap? I don't know if you guys remember the cap. So if you remember the cap that I got for Christmas, it's basically cold and hot therapy. So I tried hot therapy last night and it kind of helped with my headache. So I'm gonna try cold therapy tonight and see which one works better for me. But as it stands, your girl and the headaches, nah, I don't like them. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's vlog. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try and make this a weekly vlog, so I have a couple more days that I want to go ahead and include. So I'll catch you guys when I catch you. Okay, don't forget to leave a like if you've been enjoying the video thus far. Go ahead and leave a like down below, leave a comment, you know, wishing your girl a happy new year. I hope your new year has been going great so far. Mine has been off to a slow start, but you know, slow and steady wins the race, so I'm not worried at all. So I'll catch you guys when I catch you.